Welcome guys to the Animal and Human Galore channel. Hope you enjoy another one of our all-true stories that awaken our thoughts of all things good. Black widow spiders, notorious for their potent venom, present a significant threat to humans despite not being insects. Their bites can inflict severe pain, nausea, and lead to long-term health complications, posing a particularly deadly risk to small children and those with weakened immune systems. What makes them even more dangerous is their unique ability to release an alarm pheromone, which can mobilize the colony for a coordinated group attack, heightening the danger they pose to unsuspecting individuals. I hope you enjoyed another one of our true stories. If you don't mind, before you leave us, press that like button, share and subscribe for more true stories that keeps your thoughts on edge. Pleasant day, ciao.